To connect printer with Xiaomi 17T, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate into more connectivity options right here, and then you can find printing. Now, depending on the printer that you have, you will need to enter pairing mode on that printer, either by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or whichever method you have for that printer. The easiest way is to just Google your printer name and then add how to enter pairing mode. When you're in the pairing mode, there's an option to click on the system printing service, and then it will begin to search for your printer. Make sure that it's active, and then if your printer is found, you can click on it, and then it will be connected with your phone and you can use it to print. Alternatively, if you still cannot find your printer right here, even though your printer is in pairing mode, you can click on Add Service, which should open Google Play Store. Here in Google Play Store, you can select one of the plugins from this list. If there's a printer that you have, you probably have different options right here, or you can search for your printer brand name right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.